You's a vegan, but you going ham. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thank you so much for tuning in to Pretty Brown Vegan today, the place for plant-based comfort foods. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys a super easy recipe for black bean burgers. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I made this, go ahead and stay tuned. So to go ahead and get started, I do start with a can of black beans that I have drained off. I go ahead and put them in a large bowl, and then I take a potato masher and just go ahead and mash them up as finely as possible. I leave a few whole beans behind, but for the most part, I try and go ahead and mash it as much as possible. So we just go ahead and get that mashed, and then we'll get ready for the next ingredients. After the beans are mashed, I go ahead and add in a couple fresh veggies. So I do use half a bell pepper as well as half a baby Bella mushroom cap. And just go ahead and toss that together. So once that's well combined, I do go ahead and add in a few seasonings here. And then I'll also come in and add in some cornstarch as well, and just go ahead and get that well tossed. And once you have that well combined, lastly, I'll come in and add in some panko breadcrumbs. And just go ahead and make sure you get that a nice toss and make sure that's well combined as well. And once you have that well mixed, we are going to go ahead and pop that straight into the fridge here covered for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then once you pull it out, we're going to go ahead and form our burgers. This can formed about 4 medium-sized burgers for me. Once you get all those burgers shaped and formed, go ahead and pop those back into the fridge for another 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're ready to fry. I go ahead and fry these until they are brown on each side, and then I finish them off in the oven. So I just lightly coat the skillet in a little bit of oil, and again, just go ahead and fry them until each side is nice and brown. Once each side is brown, we're going to go ahead and put it on a baking sheet and finish it off in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're ready to assemble. I went ahead and slightly toasted a bun here and went ahead and added all of my toppings. I added in some lettuce, some tomatoes, some onions, some pickles, and a little bit of vegan mayo as well, and that's it. This is so good. It's one of the best black bean burgers that I actually have had, and for me to have made it at home, that's actually saying a lot. It's super simple and affordable to make these from scratch. Hope you guys really enjoy this content in this video. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Thanks, guys.